Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an error message 0x80070141. The device is unreachable. Unexpected error is keeping you from copying the file. If you continue to receive this error, you can use the error code to search for help with this problem. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu. So right click ka lang dyan and then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And dito sa device managers, ang next step ay dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung scan for hardware changes. Alright, so once nakakonect na yung mobile device mo, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung scan for hardware changes. Click mo lang yan and then wait natin. So once nakapag-scan na siya, and then close lang natin at kailangan mo lang mag-restart yung PC and then i-reconnect mo ulit yung mobile device mo. Alright, so ang next solution na pwede nating ulit gawin ay dito lang sa search menu and dito sa search for app. So type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step ay i-select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And then dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so other solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu and dito sa search for app, i-type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 0x80070141. The device is unreachable in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.